Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and this complete session is very useful for the teachers because in this session I am going to explain 5 AI tools that are most useful for the teachers. So being a teacher will be having a lot of responsibilities like preparation of a question paper. During the semester beginning we are supposed to give the lesson plans, and during the examinations we are supposed to give some materials, and we are supposed to conduct some assignments with the objective questions, so etc etc. So for all these things we can make use of AI tools so that the work will be very easy and also it will be efficient. So today I'll explain the 5 AI tools that will be useful for doing all these responsibilities, okay, which makes our work easier. And particularly the last one will be very important and very useful. So the first one, I'll start with the quizzes. Okay, so in order to shorten the time delay, I have already logged in with my credentials to all the 5 AI tools. Okay, so just go with the website and it will be asking some user ID and passwords. So you give your credentials, you can use your Gmail, Google credentials, or you can create your own one thing. That's up to you. So once you logged in, you will find this one. So this is my library. So whatever this is the first one is a quizzes. The first tool is a quizzes. So name itself indicates in order to conduct quizzes, the multiple choice on questions or true or false. So like that we can use this particular website. So earlier it was called as a quizzes and now it was replaced with the Wayground. Both are equal. Okay, so many of you may aware about this one. Okay, so the name has been changed from quizzes to Wayground. So here you can search for any topic, the quiz will be available. So already available quiz, you can use it by sharing it with your students group, or you can also modify, or you can also edit based upon your requirement. You can add or you can remove it. So I'll search here, I'll go with the iterative statements. So I am a computer science faculty. So I just want to conduct a quiz on iterative statements in Python programming. I am searching the topic, right? So let us see whether the quizzes are available on this particular topic or not. See, I am having a lot of quizzes. Okay. So these are the presentations. Even presentations we got interactive videos. See, flashcards are available, right? So I'll go with the assessments because we are just we want to conduct an assessment. So I'll go with the assessments. Okay. See, Python control structures are 20 questions. So here you will be having the questions. See, show all 490.4K. That means around 5 lakhs, nearby 5 lakh assessments were available. Okay, you can select one among this one and you can modify it. See, so I'll go with the 20 questions, programming in 20 questions. So it will be opening here. See, these are the questions and also the correct answer. If you want to generate more number of thing, simply we can add here. So copy and edit, just go with the copy and edit. So you'll be getting the edit option. See, this is an edit option. You can create your own question or you can add a similar questions. So by using the AI, so add similar questions. See, if you click on that add similar questions, it will generate the similar kind of questions. And if you are interested, you can simply add 3 questions added. Now you can see previously it was 20 questions and now I have added 3 more questions, total 23 questions. For each question you can give a points and also timer you can give. Okay, and if you click on this publish, automatically that will be stored in your library. So if I go with my library, I can find it here, programming in Python. Okay, so if you want to share, you can just open it, and you can share, assign or share. So you can share it with your team, that is your student community. So you can share it with your student community, so you can download the responses what they have given and everything. So it makes our work very easy, because just now I have shown you around a 5 lakh assessments were there in Python programming, right? Similarly, not only Python programming, so any kind of topic you search here, you will be finding some assessment, that means a multiple choices. Or else you can create your own thing and you can simply store it in this particular database. So your assignment, your customized assignment will also be kept in this library. So if anyone searches for that, so they can make use of your preparation, I mean your the assignment which you have prepared. So this will be very useful for the staff, teachers, right? Then coming to the second one, the second tool, which is a TeachBetter. And this TeachBetter AI helps in creating the lesson plans, worksheets, and even quizzes also. So this is the page. So I have uh, opened this website and I have logged in with my credentials. Okay, logged in with credentials. So I'm having a lot of things you can observe here. First, writing assistant, writing assistant. So just click on this one. So you'll be getting writing assistant. See, what would you like to write? So I just want to write a letter or email or a speech or report, notice, announcement, blog, etc., etc. So I'll go with the letter. What's the topic? So applying leave, or yeah, you can go with applying leave, word count 200 words, or simply we can go with 100 words. It's an optional. So tone, it's a formal, informal, creative, humorous, etc., etc. Should be formal. Who are you writing this for? Target. So we can write it for head of the department, or you can simply go with the principal. So which language? I just want to write in English, and any reference document you can give, it's an optional. Any key points to include, it's an optional. So just click on generate. See the complete letter we are getting here. So you can edit here with your name, your address, your state, email, date, principal name, school name, etc., etc. So this was the formal letter for applying leave. Not only the leave, you can also give essay, email, speech, etc., etc. Announcements. Okay. So this is the first one, that is a writing assistant. Similarly, a lesson planner. See, I just want to prepare a lesson plan for control structures in Python programming, that too in a project-based learning, project-based lesson plan. Okay, not a simply telling the topic. I just want to prepare a lesson plan based on the project-based. So I'll give here control structures in Python programming. Okay, so here also subject Python programming, and grade, to which grade students you want to give. So from pre-primary to postgraduate. I'll go with the undergraduate. And optional, curriculum is an optional. Duration per class in minutes. Duration per class in minutes. I'll give 45 minutes. It's also an optional. Okay, you can give some additional details. You can give some reference document, and you can check on these boxes. So add real life examples to explain the topics. Okay, and see, generate. So it will generate the complete lesson plan, that too a project based lesson plan. See, we are getting the complete information, how we have to explain everything: introduction to control structures, real life examples, traffic light functions, demonstration, build a simple game because project. Okay, a guessing game where player must guess a number and the program provides a feedback based on their guess. And similarly, presentation, discussion, conclusion, assessment, etc., etc. This is only plan for the topic control structures. Control structures. So the like that we can have an idea how we can deliver the content. Okay, so not only this one, so everything, lot of things are here. Generative resource generators, quiz and worksheets, so text analyzer, text translator, even text translator is also available. So you can give the input text here. So I'll give some text and I'll show you. Let us move on with see, operating system. So this is an operating system. So let us check with the some paragraph. Okay, on operating system. Let's see. Yes, introduction, an operating system, software, etc., etc. So I'll copy this content and I'll give this here. And which language? What is the language of original text? It's in English, and translated language in Hindi, and translate. So the same content will be converted into Hindi. And if I want to get the same thing in Telugu, so I'll translate everything in Telugu. Sorry. Okay, sorry, this is not thing. Here we need to change Telugu. See, I'm getting some Telugu information. So one place where we can get everything. So even YouTube video analyzer. Okay, so if you click on this one, this is a newly added thing. So if you click on this one, it was asking about the URL. So let us give one URL. So I'm giving this one, and I'm going with a video. So I'll go with the free AI models. This one. I'll give this link and see what would you like. Full transcript, complete transcript I just want. So generate. So valid video link, processing request, and this is a valid link, and here we'll be getting the complete information in a theoretical way. So whatever the information I have given in the video, everything will be getting in text format. See, hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In our previous session we discussed prompt engineering and explored different types of prompts. Today we'll look at 5 AI models that generate images from text prompts. If you need an image, you can describe it in text, and on AI model will generate the image automatically. So whatever the thing I have explained in that video, everything we got here. Okay, it was generating. So finally the conclusion also we got it. So it will also analyze the video, YouTube video. Okay, and presentation generator, personalized report generator, chat with documents. We can upload the documents and you can ask a question so that it will give the answers also. Okay, event plan, science lab. So a lot of things are available in this particular website. So it will be very useful for every teacher, not only for engineering teachers. Every teacher, this will be very useful. So coming to the third one, that is a Eduaide AI. Eduaide AI is also useful in generating the lesson plans, classroom materials, assessments, etc. Let us check with that. So this is the thing. See, prior knowledge, and here we want to ask the questions, and here different things, assessment measures and everything. So here also I'll give the same thing. Explain about control structures in C programming. So if I want to ask this one, engagement activities, 5 engagement activities regarding this topic. So I'll get that. See, engagement activities for control structures: brainstorm, flowchart challenge, code snapshots, true or false control structures, quick coding exercise, etc. So we can follow this one engagement activities in order to explain this topic. And similarly, lesson seed. So you can see the same thing I'm generating for the same control structures. Lesson seed: learning objectives, prior knowledge, prerequisites, direct instruction strategies, student practice and applications, collaborative activities. So how we can take think pair share discussions. In pair, student discuss how they would implement control structures. So how effectively we can explain the concept, how effectively we can make the students make interest towards these topics. Everything we can have this here. And see, project based learning. So this I prefer this one, project based learning. So how we can explain these control structures in a project based learning? See, project title, driving question, project summary, real world connection, and learning objectives, and see research process. So everything. So how we can make this topic effective, and how students can feel easy in this particular thing. So all these things will be available in this particular website, Eduaide AI. Okay, unit plan. So you can also have a unit plan, right? See, unit overview. So what we have to explain in that: the long term goals, short term goals, learning objectives, etc. Lesson by lesson breakdowns, introduction to control structures. See, selection control structures. And in that, what we have to explain: introduction to new material, guided practice, assessments, and the third, iteration control structures, combining control structures, both iterative and uh, selective, summative assessment, etc., etc. See, definitely this particular website will also helps a lot of teachers to know how effectively we can deliver the content to the students, so that the students will be having more interest towards the subject. Okay, and the next AI model is Wolframalpha. So this is majorly, this will be useful for the max teachers as well as the students. See, this website, wolframalpha.com. So here you can see math input. You just click on this one, you'll be having a lot of options here. Okay, a lot of options, right? So see, all math inputs. So you can see these are division, squares, power. Okay, two boxes means two powers. Here the square box represents the input. So square root of anything, cubic root. Okay, and infinity, pi value. See, logarithmic, derivations, integrals. Okay, summations. Even we can also use, see, limits and matrix, vectors and matrix, trigonometry. We can have the trigonometry and different symbols also we can use it, right? So just I'll give you an example. I just want to add or a multiply two matrices. I just click on this one. See, as I said that the square box is one number. To enter the number, I'll give 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here I'll give plus, and again I will give this one 1, 2, 3 and 4, and simply click on this one, we'll get the output. See, we are getting the output, result, dimensions, matrix plot, transpose, trace, determinant, inverse. See, these many things we'll be getting. Okay, so any kind of thing can be applied here: matrix, calculus, basic math, trigonometry, etc., etc. So we can, this will be very useful for even a students as well as a faculty. So if you go with the square root of 144, So just click on this one. We'll be getting the square root, number line, and the number name, visual representation, second root. So see, these many things we are getting just with the square root. Okay, so we can make use of a lot of AI tools nowadays. Okay, so you can use all these things, and as I said that not only for the teachers, this will be useful for many students. Okay, so here you can see mathematics, science and technology, society and culture, everyday life, even everyday life also, that will be good. Okay, so this is a one more website that will be useful for both the students and the faculty. Wolframalpha.com. So for particularly mathematical faculty. And coming to the last one, that is a Google Notebook LM. So Google Notebook LM. So here, this is a home page. So I have logged in with my credentials and just create new. Click on create new. So it was asking for upload source. See, here you can upload the source, and these many things you can get it. Audio overview, you can get an audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, etc. So I'll show you an example. So I'll add some material here and then we'll discuss. See, this is a social engineering attacks. In ethical hacking, there is a concept called social engineering. This is a material related to that, so that ethical hacking. So I'm uploading this PDF file, and now see, yes, this is ready. From this we can ask the questions. So summarize the document. If I want to summarize the document, if I just give that summarize the document, I'll get the complete summary of that particular document, only in that document. Okay, so whatever the information it was displaying, everything is just related to that particular document, not beyond the document. So everything is within the document. So in 100 words, so I just want to summarize everything in 100 words. Let us check whether we can get it or not. Yes, see, and this is also completely related to only the information which is available in this particular document. You can add more number of sources. Okay, and see, one major thing we can enjoy with this particular website is mind map. So just create the mind map for this particular topic, social engineering. So here you can see, if you scroll up, so generating the mind map. Once it was done, so you can see, so it was done, the architecture of social engineering. If you click on this one, see, this is the thing in that particular document: definition, life cycle, attack cycle, weapons and techniques, types of social engineering, and prevention tips. If I want to know what is the life cycle, I just click on this one. I'll get the life cycle: investigation, establishing the trust factors, psychological manipulations, and the exit. If I want to go with the trust factor, so three kinds. So develop the relationship, engaging the victim. Goal is to win the confidence. So the complete information what we are seeing on the screen, that is with respect to that particular document. Okay, only with that particular document. Okay, so here see, weapons and techniques, attack types. So there are a lot of attack types. See, these are all the things: shoulder surfing, dumpster diving, role playing, Trojan horse. So phishing. So phishing again divided into different. Okay, spear phishing and reverse social engineering. So again different. So pretexting. See, so these kind of roadmap we will be getting this one. Okay, prevention tips. You can see the prevention tips. So these are all the prevention tips we can have. Okay, so with respect to only particular document itself. Okay, so this is a map. Okay, mind map. And if it consists of any reports, it will be generating that, and even quizzes. So you can also generate a quiz from this particular PDF, only from this PDF. Okay, so see here in the bottom we can see generating the quiz. So from this document, it was generating the quiz. It will be generating 10 questions. Okay, multiple choice questions, 10 questions, so that we can download and we can share it with the student community, and we can put the assignments. Okay, conduct the assignments. Okay, similarly, audio overview and the video overview will also be there, but it may take some time. So you just try with the go watching this audio overview and the video overview, and comment me so the your experiences. So how far it will be useful for you and thing, right? Yes, it was completed. Let us see social engineering quiz. So full screen. Yes. So this is the first question and four options. It was also giving the hint to answer the question. So if you click on next, the second question, hint, third question, hint, and all these questions are prepared from this document only. Okay. So not beyond any other content beyond this document. Right. So this is the thing. This is a very useful for all the faculty members. A NotebookLM. So website is a NotebookLM. It's a Google product, right? So hope you enjoyed the 5 tools, and don't forget to comment me which tool is helpful for you. Okay. So if you really enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.